I'm Bill Elsie with Showplace Lawns. How to maintain a lawn in the fall. During the fall period, there's not a lot of mowing, but there still are some important things to do. The first thing, be sure to keep the leaves raked up off of the yard. This is going to allow for more sunlight to hit the grass because the leaves are off the trees. The grass will take advantage of that extra sunlight at this time to make up for what it will not get in the spring and summer when it's in more shade. So even though it's a problem, keep the leaves picked up off the grass. Secondly, remember to keep the lawn watered. Your watering schedule will change from spring and summer, but the grass will still want water. Depending upon your rainfall, watering about once every 2 weeks, and again, depending on your area of the country, once every 2 weeks should be about fine to keep that lawn healthy. Because as it goes dormant in the fall and through the winter, the roots are still very active and they need the water. The third thing to do is put out a fall fertilizer. That fall fertilizer does not or should not be high in nitrogen, but it should give the lawn what it needs to make it through the winter and help make it come out in the spring. How quickly it comes out and turns around in the spring is going to be determined by how it was fertilized in the fall. The fourth thing would be a mowing, maybe once or twice, probably more so just as a cleanup. It's not really necessary. So keep the leaves raked up, feed it with a low nitrogen, good organic fertilizer, maintain a watering schedule, although different from spring and summer. And those probably are the three main things to do to keep that lawn going through the fall.